Okay, well, hello everybody. Out for a nice little paddle here on a place called Root Lake. One of my favorite places around here. And yeah, so we're gonna go for a paddle. We're gonna spend the night out here and hopefully get some really nice landscape pictures. We've got a really beautiful scenery around here, so it's just going to be what I can do with it. This is the first trip of the year. It's May 12th right now, and I haven't seen any ice, so I'm so far assuming there's no ice left here. I was a little bit worried that there might be some, but so far so good. So we got about another hour to paddle before we get to camp, and as I say, hopefully we'll get some really nice shots. Looking forward to this. The only thing that's a little bit weird is now with the baby and that, it's a little bit harder to take these solo trips. But so today what I did is took the morning at home, and because this is a short paddle, just kind of made it a shorter trip. So idea is that I'll be back by lunchtime tomorrow, and that way kind of split up the weekend a little bit between being at home and a little bit between doing the camping photography thing. So I'm gonna try that a couple more times, I guess, and see how it works. But just got an absolutely gorgeous day today, so yeah, hoping to get some nice photos. Anyways, thanks for coming along, and yeah, we'll see you when we get to camp. So I hadn't noticed these before. We've got an X, a line, and then two lines side by side. I've been here before, and actually I was looking for another set that I still hope to find, but I haven't seen these ones before. They're quite nice. I like coming out to these locations and just taking a look at it's really cool just to think about how long ago these were made, and that they still exist. And unfortunately, I don't know very much about these ones in particular. I would love to learn more, but it's hard to find out a lot of information about these. So, as I say, I'm hoping to find out some more. I've asked around, but it's hard to get that kind of information. So, for now, I just enjoy them. Come out, take a look, and enjoy what's here. There is one more I'm looking for. I've seen it before, but I haven't quite located it this time. The hard thing about finding these is they're quite small, and if you're looking away at the wrong second, you can paddle right past them. So, and here's the last ones that I know of, these two hands here. These two, I think, are my favorite. Okay, well, here's camp for tonight. Just got here, so gonna have to set everything up and hopefully get some great light tonight. Okay, so with this photo here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk over to this point here, and I'm going to set this camera up to be remotely triggered with my phone, manually dial in the exposure, and then I'll have the camera set up on, I think it's called custom mode, so it'll be a 10-second timer, and then followed by in this case 5 pictures, but you can set it for whatever you want. So yeah, just gonna go over there, as I say, stand kind of in the sunlight there and try to get some pictures. So the composition that we're trying to go with is to use these rocks here as kind of a leading line, and then the subject right there, and then have some of this nice open water over here where you can still see the rock cliffs in the background. So the winds really started to pick up, so I had to move the tent, which kind of sucked. It was right here actually. So it's about 5 o'clock, which is normally the time I'd be getting home. I just wanted to talk for a quick second about about having a kid and now going out and doing camping and stuff, and like I talked earlier, like I'm trying to combine things as much as possible. So like this trip I'm also doing a lot of photography. I've already taken quite a few photos that I'm pretty happy with, and like even again in the morning, like I spent a longer time in the morning than I would have in the past, just so I could spend a little bit more time with everybody. But it's a challenge. I mean, honestly, like you get to around this time and you're starting to think about dinner and all that, and that's when I'd normally be home. So yeah, it's a challenge, and obviously something I'm working on, but I want to be able to do this stuff and do stuff with them. So I'm really looking forward to when Sam's old enough that he can come on little trips and stuff, and I'm really hoping to be able to try to have a little trip with him this year, like something like we come out to Root Lake but we stay at the parking lot or something, or we go car camping in a park or something like that. So yeah, anyways, I was just sharing a couple of thoughts I was having while I was trying to get ready for dinner, and that obviously I'm not getting ready for dinner quite yet. I'm sitting in the hammock and gonna read another story in this Explorer magazine, and hopefully we'll get some nice light tonight and get some more photos, and then head back home in the morning. And this next image is just to prove I did get out my wildlife lens. Okay, so it's been a really good day. The winds finally calmed down again, which is awesome. And ended up with some fairly good light for like the sunset golden hour. Mostly the golden hour. As you can see, there's no clouds in the sky, so sunset didn't really work out too much. But I do have a couple of cool images of golden hour, which I'll show now. And other than that, I think because there are like 0 clouds in the sky right now, hopefully it will stay this way. I'm gonna try staying up a little bit late. I think around 9-10 o'clock, which isn't that late. Should be really dark. So I think civil twilight is at 9. So we'll see how things go. If it works out well, I'm gonna try to get some star photos. Hey, morning. So I did stay up late and got some pretty interesting astro photos, which I may or may not include in this vlog. But anyways, I slept great last night, which means I didn't get up for sunrise, but that's okay. And it seems like it's going to be another great day. So, gonna get ready here, get dressed, and start on the day. It's pretty windy today. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I had a great time. If you want to see all the final photos, go to astonphotos.net, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.